This is HOVERAir X1 Pro, and today I'll show how you can check its serial number. So to start, you will need to take or pick up your mobile phone and launch the HOVERAir X1 mobile app. Now, it's important that at least once previously you have connected the drone to the app or to your account perhaps, or to your guest account, doesn't matter. Then go into the Me section at the bottom, then open the MyHover page, select the drone you would like to check the serial number for. If that's the only one you have, it will be the same for you as it is for me. You'll have only a single entry here. And here you'll be able to find your drone serial number, as well as very conveniently copy it to your clipboard should you need to. And well, as far as this little video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.